Our current boldest dream project ever. The inclusive Irish Bayou Nature Retreat with playground and splash park for special needs children, 1 block away from our local Castle House at Irish Bayou. It's definitely a work in progress with the goal of providing a beautiful scenic place where all people can come and get recharged and re-inspired naturally. Special features: a deck over the water where special needs children can come fishing right from the deck. An all-inclusive playground where all children can have a blast, including a small splash park. Canoes and paddle boats for all. A nature trail accessible by wheelchair. A sailboat for teaching teenagers at risk how to sail and develop winning attitudes and habits. A 63-foot houseboat being converted into a meeting room for seminars, lectures, Bible studies, etc. 5 floating cabins to get away from the hustle and bustle and rejuvenate in solitude. Making a dream come true. Working together, me and you. A great place for small groups to enjoy a company party, church gatherings, baptisms, etc.